In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Spintax with ChatGPT 4. Now, I tried to do Spintax in ChatGPT 3.5. However, it didn't run well at all. But I happened to do it in ChatGPT 4, and the results were absolutely amazing. So I just wanted to go ahead and share my results with you. That way you can see how much better this is compared to other programs, rewriters, spinners that you might be using now. So all I did was I told it to rewrite the following in nested Spintax format and make it as readable as possible. And as you can see, I'm using Model GPT-4 for this. And I just pasted a paragraph down here below, and it talks about depression. You can read that if you want, and then compare it to what it's going to spit out down here. So I went ahead and did that. And since this is running so slow, I went ahead and did it ahead of time before I started recording this video. And look how well it did. So it's pretty much almost every word is spun. I would say probably 90% of the words, 85 to 90% of the words are spun. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted it to be as readable as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to take it over to my favorite tool that I use to make sure that my Spintax is working correctly. So this is spin.me. It's sp1n.me. And all you do is you just paste it in here, and then it'll tell you how many unique versions that it's going to come up with. So ChatGPT just gave me a Spintax with 262,144 versions in it. Now I can randomize this, and if it was broken, say if I take this out, if it was broken, it would give me an error. It'll say you got something missing here. So it's not broken. So the Spintax was correct that it came out with, and all I have to do is click spin. But before you do that, you want to go ahead and if you spit out 262,000 of them, it's going to break your browser. So I always do about 25 of them, and then hit spin, and then it'll spin it all out. And if you take just a second to read these, you'll see that the quality is very, very good. Depression is a neurological condition and mental state. The brain is one of a kind. The brain is one of a kind, being the only organ whose functions we consciously experience, since the brain is the organ of the mind. Disorders of the mind-brain affect millions of people in the United States. Depression is the most common, representing 99% of all mind-brain illnesses. And then if you look here at the second one, it's completely rewritten this, completely rewritten it. It's keeping everything, it's keeping the idea the same, but it's completely rewritten the paragraph. Here it says the brain is unique and is the only organ, the function of which we actively perceive. It is both a neurological condition and a mental state. Illnesses of the brain impact tens of millions of people in the United States. Depression is the most common, representing 99% of all mind-brain illnesses. So it's rewritten that differently than it did up here. So I just wanted to show you how well the results are. And you can try this for yourself. Just go into ChatGPT and just put rewrite the following in nested Spintax format, make it as readable as possible, and hit your shift return key a couple times and paste what you want down here, and it's going to spit out in Spintax format. In my opinion, this is much, much, much better than Spin Rewriter ever was, and it's close to WordAI. I haven't used WordAI in quite some time, so WordAI might have gotten better, but to me, this is just like the quality of WordAI, and it's much cheaper. So hopefully you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please click the like below. Also, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you get updates whenever I post a video. Also, if you're looking for a ChatGPT course, I've gone ahead and linked that down below so you can learn everything there is to know about ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.